The Reolink Argus 4 Pro WiFi6 camera supports a local storage with the microSD card of up to 512 gigabits of memory. It also supports the Reolink solar panel too, and once connected, that will offer you 365 days of non-stop solar power supply. So what we have here is the microSD card, and we're going to show you how to install in the camera. So on the bottom of the camera, that is where you can put in the SD card. So we have got a 64 GB card, and you need to insert it in this orientation. Do note, it is spring loaded. So from the app, if you are to go to the settings and select Argus 4 Pro, select storage, you can see that it has detected the microSD card and you need to format the card. So let's format. The format is complete, and thereafter any recording will be to the SD card. That is the capacity of the SD card. Next, let's unbox the solar panel and we'll show you how to connect it for use with the camera. These are the items in box. The Reolink solar panel 2 will provide solar power, green energy. It has a 6 watt power output and it comes with a USB-C port output. However, in box there is a USB-C to micro USB adapter. So this solar panel can also be used for other cameras that only supports micro USB. It is IP65 weatherproof, so once you have mounted it on the wall facing the sun, you can simply install it by connecting to the camera USB port for charging. So this is the Reolink solar panel 2.